Once upon a time, a young man named Aryan set off on a journey to climb the mountain of peace. Legend said that at the top, the air was so pure that anyone who breathed it would be happy forever. Before he started his climb, an old village elder stopped him. The elder handed Aryan an empty burlap sack. "You may go," the elder said, "but there is one rule for the mountain. Every time someone makes you angry or treats you badly, you must pick up a stone, put it in this sack, and carry it with you." Aryan laughed. "That is easy, I am strong." He started walking. The sun was shining. Soon, he met a merchant who was running down the path. The merchant bumped into Aryan, knocking him into a mud puddle. "Watch where you are going," the merchant yelled, not even stopping to help. Aryan was furious. He remembered the rule. He picked up a stone, a sharp, jagged one, and threw it into his sack. "I will not forget this," he grumbled. A few miles later, it started to rain. Aryan sought shelter under a tree, but a group of squirrels threw acorns at his head. He got annoyed. He picked up 3 small stones and put them in the sack. Days passed. He remembered a friend who had lied to him years ago. Plunk. Another stone in the sack. He thought about a teacher who had yelled at him unfairly. Plunk. Another stone. The sack grew heavy, very heavy. Aryan's back began to ache. His shoulders hurt. He walked slower and slower. The beautiful scenery around him turned gray because he was always looking down at the ground, struggling with the weight. "Why is this mountain so difficult?" he shouted. Finally, he reached the bridge of clouds near the top. The bridge was made of old rope and wood. It looked fragile. Aryan tried to step onto it, but the wood creaked loudly. The sack was too heavy. If he tried to cross with the sack, the bridge would break, and he would fall. He sat down and cried, "I have walked so far. I am strong. Why can't I finish?" The old elder appeared at the other side of the bridge. "You are strong, Aryan," the elder called out. "But you are not wise. Look inside your sack." Aryan opened the sack. It was full of useless, dirty rocks. "These are your grudges," the elder said. "The merchant who pushed you is currently home, eating a warm dinner. He forgot about you days ago, but you are still carrying him on your back. Who is being punished, him or you?" Aryan looked at the heavy stone. He realized he had been carrying the pain for miles, while the people who hurt him were free. He stood up. He took the sharp stone from the merchant and threw it off the cliff. He felt lighter. He threw out the squirrel stones, lighter still. One by one, he emptied the sack of anger, jealousy, and hurt. When the sack was empty, Aryan stood up straight. He felt like he could float. He stepped onto the bridge. It held him perfectly. He crossed to the top of the mountain, not because he was strong enough to carry the weight, but because he was wise enough to put it down. Moral of the story: holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to get sick. Forgiveness is not a gift you give to others. It is a gift you give to yourself to be free. Thanks for watching. Is there a stone in your life you need to throw away? Let us know in the comments below, and subscribe for more stories.